Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to contact Capital One's customer support. So if you've been wondering how to do that, this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one, really short video. We're not going to waste any time. Let's just get straight into it. So you can visit the Capital One's website, and then once you're there, you just want to click on contact us, and that's going to take you to a page where you're going to get a contact informations on how to reach Capital One. You can just choose the contact method that you want to use. That could be phone, could be email, or it could be a live chat. Now once that's done, you just want to provide your account's information, such as your account number and your username and whatnot. And then you're just going to explain your questions or your concerns, whatever they may be, and the technical support is going to help you, the customer support is going to help you through those issues. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to contact Capital One's customer support. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.